Old wood carries a story, weathered by time, marked by age, and rich with character. But instead of letting it go to waste, why not give it a second life? In this video, we'll explore creative woodworking ideas that transform reclaimed, salvaged, or scrap wood into truly unique pieces of furniture. From rustic coffee tables to modern shelves and headboards, these DIY projects not only look amazing, they also promote sustainability and add warmth and authenticity to your space. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, get ready to be inspired by how old wood can be reimagined into stunning, functional art for the home. Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Cookie Decor. Today we will show you the collection of upcycled wood projects that will blow your mind. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. At Cookie Decor, we are passionate about bringing you creative wood furniture ideas, nature-inspired design tips, DIY projects, rustic textures, minimalist shapes, and eco-friendly furniture ideas that tell a story. This is your place for inspiration. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Cookie Decor. Dear viewers, stick around, because these ideas aren't just clever, they are the perfect blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and eco-conscious living. You won't believe what you can build with wood most people would throw away. At the heart of creative woodworking with old wood is the philosophy of reimagining what already exists. Each crack, knot, nail hole, and grain pattern tells a story, making every finished piece unique and personal. From rustic coffee tables to contemporary wall shelves, tree stump stools to vintage-inspired console tables, the possibilities are as limitless as your creativity. For woodworkers, artists, and alike, working with reclaimed wood is both a challenge and a joy, offering an opportunity to blend artistry, sustainability, and history into every creation. One of the most popular ways to repurpose old wood is through live edge furniture. A live edge coffee table, for instance, highlights the raw, natural contour of the tree it came from, preserving the beauty of its organic form. These tables often feature a combination of old wood slabs and modern elements like metal or minimalist legs to create a striking contrast. Even cracks or voids in the wood can be enhanced with epoxy resin, sometimes clear, sometimes tinted, for a glossy, durable finish that adds character while maintaining strength. Another creative idea involves using reclaimed barn wood for floating wall shelves. These shelves can be cut in various lengths and installed in a staggered pattern to add a sculptural touch to an otherwise plain wall. The aged pattern of barn wood, deep browns, greys, and rough textures, adds warmth to modern or industrial interiors. With hidden brackets, these shelves appear to float, giving the illusion of lightness while offering practical storage and display space. Turning old wood into headboards is another excellent furniture project that mixes beauty with function. Old doors, pallet slats, or even flooring planks can be repurposed to create statement headboards that become the centerpiece of any bedroom. Arranged in herringbone, chevron, or vertical patterns, the wood can be left in its natural state or lightly sanded and stained for a refined rustic look. Add LED lighting strips, mounted sconces, or a small shelf to make the headboard both cozy and practical. Tree stumps and log slices also make excellent candidates for creative woodworking projects. Sanded smooth and sealed with matte finish, a stump can be turned into a charming side table or nightstand. The rings of the tree create an eye-catching pattern that makes each piece distinct. You can even carve out a portion to create hidden storage or fit in caster wheels for mobility. For added elegance, combine the wood with glass or metal tops, or use contrasting stains for visual interest. If you're looking to create something larger, consider building a bench or dining table from old beams and floorboards. Benches made from old wood can serve as seating in entryways, dining areas, or even garden spaces. Adding storage underneath, such as cubbies or woven baskets, makes these benches even more practical. Use wood with visible grain and tool marks to embrace its vintage charm, or blend reclaimed pieces with contemporary legs for a modern farmhouse look. Patchwork tabletops made from various wood scraps are also a rising trend in creative woodworking. These tabletops incorporate planks of different tones, grains, and finishes, arranged like a mosaic or quilt. The result is a vibrant, eclectic surface that draws the eye. A patchwork coffee table or side table is a perfect project for using up small offcuts and leftovers. Framed with a consistent border and paired with slim metal or wooden legs, these pieces blend the old with the new beautifully. Reclaimed wood also shines when used for modular furniture. For example, stackable crates made from old pallets or boards can form bookcases, display stands, or even nightstands. By keeping the units detachable, you add flexibility, allowing the furniture to evolve with your space. This approach is ideal for small apartments or dynamic interiors where function must adapt over time. Wall-mounted desks made from reclaimed wood offer another inventive solution, especially for compact living spaces. These foldable desks are perfect for home offices or study corners. Using old planks with visible grain or distress marks, you can construct a desk that folds up neatly when not in use. Combine this with brass hinges, leather straps, or chalkboard backing to elevate its aesthetic and function. Even small projects like serving trays, coat racks, or mirror frames can benefit from reclaimed wood. These accessories make great gifts, sell well at craft fairs, and allow woodworkers to use smaller scraps that might otherwise go to waste. Adding engraved quotes, carvings, or burnt-in designs can personalize each piece further. What makes creative woodworking with old wood truly special is its emphasis on story, texture, and transformation. You're not just building furniture, you're reviving history, giving forgotten materials new purpose, and creating something deeply personal. Every scratch or grain variation becomes a testament to time and skill, a feature rather than a flaw. In a world of synthetic surfaces and mass production, furniture made from reclaimed wood stands out as honest, sustainable, and soulful. Whether you're crafting a dining table from old barn beams or building a minimalist shelf from pallet wood, the key lies in celebrating the imperfections and letting the material guide the design. With each piece you create, you're not just preserving the past, you're shaping it into something beautifully relevant for today's world. So there you have it. Simple yet striking ways to turn old wood into one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative woodworking inspiration. Got a favorite project or your own upcycling tip? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and give that old wood a brand new story.